Yan.
Okay, little boy. Come on. Smile for Tita May. Come on. Open your eyes. Open your eyes. Wow. Very good. Very good. O, ayan, Danny. Yung baby nyo. Ang lips at saka ang nose. After you.
Hindi mo maitatanggi
Kamukha mo tong baby. Nakakatuwa. Wow. He's opening his eyes. Very good, Gab. Once more for Tita May. Come on. Ang cute. Healthy. Oh, smile, you smile, you smile. Come on.
Ano kayo nangyari sa akin? Tingnan mo.
Did you just see Lola in heaven? Ha? Sinundo ka ni Lola? Wow! Is that a yes? Kasi you opened your eyes when I asked that question. Ha? Did you see Lola in heaven? Ang galing. Sinundo ka yata ni Lola ni Lola Nanay. That's why you're here with us now. One more smile for Tita May. Come on. Open your eyes. Come on. That's so cute. Ang galing. Ay, there's a dimple. May dimple sa right. Ano, no?
Hindi meron sa kabila. At hindi
Magkabila ba? Isa lang yung nakita ko eh.
ito. Dalawa. Meron sa baba dito. Ay, meron.
Ay, may dimple. Ay, nag-smile siya. Ang cute. Very nice. Thank you, Gab. Thank you. Gusto na bang dumede pag gano'n? Oo nga, no. Naghahanap siya, oh. Oh?
Pero kay ate Eleni yan, di ba?
Oo nga. So, ano yan pag ganyan? Iyak na yan. Kasi wala siya nadedede. Okay. Sana wala yung light para mas nakikita yung face mo. Eh, oh. You're so cute, little boy.
Bakit nilalagyan
You're so cute. Ang galing.
Kasi parang
Okay, babay na si Tita May. I have to check on your mommy.
iba yung ano.
Bye-bye, little Gab. Bye-bye.